The laws of motion are how and why objects move. Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. For example,
Dewy is snowboarding at Neshoba Valley, but isn't the best snowboarder out there.
This will remain at rest forever until acted on by a force. This is the first part of Newton's first law of motion. Then, when Dewy jumps on the snowboard, it will move down the hill. But when Dewy hits the rock, he will fly off his snowboard, and eventually gravity will bring him down to hit the bush. This is Newton's first law of motion, second half.
Newton's second law of motion states that the acceleration of an object by a force is inversely proportional to the mass of the object and directly proportional to the force.
for an easier understanding, let's watch Mousy and Dewy go down Neshoba Valley on snowboards.
Dewy and the mouse are going to be racing down Neshoba Valley. The little mouse, who weighs less than Dewy and has a much smaller mass than him. At the top of the mountain, they both get pushed with an equal force. Little Mousy goes way past Dewy when they get pushed.
But why is that? They got pushed with equal force.
I know, but according to law number 2, Mousy has less weight and less mass. Therefore, less friction between the ground and Mousy. So, he goes quicker and accelerates faster than Dewy, who weighs more and has more mass.
Zoom! Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there's a reaction.
Dewy is standing on a snowboard at the top of Neshoba Valley. Why isn't he going through Earth?
This is because there is an equal but opposite force acting down, which is gravity, pushing down on Dewy. But the reason he just doesn't fall right through Earth is because there is an opposite but equal force pushing back up on him. This is why every action has a reaction, the reason he isn't going down through Earth. This snowboard will remain at rest forever until acted on by a force. This is the first part of the law. Then when Dewy jumps on the snowboard, he will move it down the hill. But when Dewy hits the rock, he will fly off his snowboard. Okay, the bush is right there, Kelly. Where are you going? Yeah, Dewy, you're stepping on the mouse's head, you idiot.